Hey everyone, Boss Guy here. Sorry, just making a late night video. It's already 12 in the morning, and the reason why I'm not really as active on YouTube or Roblox and stuff, well, having relationship problems with a friend and Roblox, the audio update pretty much ruined my HVAC career, including my Roblox rail fanning career and stuff. Yeah, that's why I'm not really as active on my channel anymore. Just making a video of the ceiling fan. Light still works and everything. Grabbing the remote and starting it up. Just gonna run it on low for now, because it's just gonna make this short. This is in my bedroom, by the way. Well, my new one. Staying here for about two or 3 weeks or something. I'll wait for this to shut off or something. Regular startup and running on the home decorators. Forgot what was that? The name. Forgot what it called it, but it was the home decorators. And you want to know something? The blades are kind of cheap since they're made of plastic. Also, the furnace was running like before I started recording, but it's already off. Oh gosh, it's doing that light thing. And it always does that when I get close to the lights, even on the hunter low profiles. Probably gonna make a video of that tomorrow. Not right now, because I'm really tired. Alright, it stopped. So, thanks for watching. Box Guy, over and out.